Hey guys, in this video we are going to create the Mario game in just 7 days and see how the result will look like. So let's go on. This is the Mario game we all know. The runner, the jumper, the coin collector. For decades it lived in consoles. What if it lived right here? That's the challenge. No game engines, no fancy tools, just pure web developing codes to create the classic Mario game from scratch to a complete website, like a web game. So let's see how much progress we can get in 7 days. Day 1. The dream is big, but you have to start small. Goal number 1. Get something, anything, moving on the screen. First, I need a word. That's a simple container with CSS styles. Then I need a hero. For now, Mario is just a red square. And the most important rule of any platform, gravity. So I give Mario a vertical velocity, and every frame gravity pulls him down. Then I add a jump function that gives him a big upward boost. So after 8 hours, this is the progress for the first day. As you can see, we only have a red square that can jump and gravity pull it down. Day 2. Time to lose the red square. I found the original Mario sprites. Now it's the time to code to replace the red container with an image and use CSS to clip the sprite sheet and also updating the environment be more like the Mario game. So guys, this is the final result of the second day, and as you can see, we did a lot of progress than yesterday, and we reached to 563 lines of code, and this is how does the project looks like. Let me reset it, and I add the Mario character, and I worked on the environment and details of the website, actually the web game. And now the jump works, and also when I change the direction, also the character direction will change as well. And I think the next day we are going to finalize the details and then work on the advanced things. So just the only bug that today we have is just when I go further, the character won't come. And we need to debug it and make it finalized. So this bug and other updates is for tomorrow because I don't have enough energy to work on it. So see you on tomorrow. So after the day 2, we went to a 2-day trip on the north of Iran, and the video may come with a little bit delay as well, which I apologize for it. Also, I didn't bring my laptop with myself for trying 48 hours dopamine detox, and it was a really good trip though. Hey guys, I finally came back from this really good vacation, but I really missed you. And without any more speed, let's see actually where were we? So in these 2 days, I really thought of what features we can add to the Mario game. And for today, I had a really good plan to add features and update the game logic and also give some details to make it more like the Nintendo Mario version. So guys, after 7 hours, this is the final result, and the day after vacation, we did a lot of progress, and I didn't expect. At first, I updated the logic of the game and the environment. I added some styles. Then I add these blocks that when we jump on them, nothing happened. It means we cannot jump on them yet. But as you can see in the top right of the Mario head, we have a star that make us to jump more, and also we can jump in the creatures, and it will give us the point. Also, when we get the stars, it will give us more point, and we can kill these creatures that I don't know what are these. I just download them from Google, and this is the final result. And we don't have the final game. Also, when I kill myself 3 times, let me kill myself, so it will game over us, and I think it's a good result. And for tomorrow, I have a lot of surprises. In the 4th day, I tried to finish the pre-processed features or items that I've created in the first 3 days, and finally update them with more styles, and finally this is the 4th day result. So guys, as you can see, after another full day, we reached to final result of the fourth day. And as you can see, obviously we make a lot of changes. The hardest one was to jump on the bricks and make it complete because we create the boxes on the first 3 days. And now everything is clean and finalized for the fifth day. Also the jumping and getting pointed are finished, and also there is nothing more to create till here, but I also have some updates for another days. And as you can see, it's so fun and we need to make it endless. I mean, for the last day, I'm going to make it endless and the game won't ever finish. And I think create something on the web like this is so hard. So if you enjoyed till here, please like the video, because the project just created with the simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript codes. The codes that other web developers can create a website with them. But I try to create a game with that. Tell in the comment section how you enjoyed till here. I started updating the website for the fifth day. And in the first 2 hours when I was updating it, I don't know why it get this bug that I cannot see my hero anymore and I cannot move. I don't know why it's happening, and also all the creatures gone. I was just working on the final things that I won't mention anything from it, but I don't know what I get this bug. So I don't know what should I do. Maybe I take the website to the last update of the fourth day and start coding the fifth day updates again. Without any time killing, I started the fifth day progress again. And because I didn't have enough time, I decided to just add the features I had in my mind, but not the final version. Just with better styles to make sure all features are working on the end of the day. So after 8 hours working on the project, the Mario game, it looks like this. And believe me, this day was the hardest day because after 2 hours I needed to start again, and it's 11:47 p.m. and I don't have enough energy to work anymore on the project. And I think tomorrow I'm going to make it exactly like the Mario game we all know. But for today, I just updated the final version of actually jumping on the blocks and pipes and coin collecting and jumping ahead of these creatures, make it final. And also when we reach to the end of this line that is here, and when we jump here, we can see the character will come down and go, and it's tell us how much point we get. And also I added the final sound effects and make it like a game. But tomorrow I'm going to finalize everything, and for the last and the day 7 I'm going to take the website on the production mode and deploy everything there. So see you on the next day. This is the 6th and final day of coding. At the first day, I didn't think we can come this far. And the final result actually reminds me the classic Mario version we all played. And also I try to make it playable for mobile as well. And I think everything's done. So tell me, do you want to see the final result? Finally, we reached to the end of this journey. In these 6 days, we finalized the Mario game, and I didn't expect we can have the result like this. And honestly, I haven't played it till the end from yesterday. And on screen, I want to play it with each other and see, is it exactly like the Mario game we all know or not? So I think I try to make the environment a little bit better. Also the creatures are not exactly like the game, but I try to create the most similar thing I could create. And also you can see birds, and when you press X it will kill creatures, and I think we reached to a very good result. And the final is like this: when you jump and you get the flag. And it actually took 6 full days from me, but I really enjoyed from the result and I want to play it a lot. And also we can see how much a score we get. And for the next day, I think we don't have any other things to do. As you can see on the screen, I'll just work on the hosting stuff and I will deploy the project on the production version so all people can enjoy the game and reminds their childhood from playing this game. So there is no more things to say, let's go to the outro. So I hope you enjoyed from this video. If you are a Mario fan like me, please like the video because it took actually full 7 days from me. And also, as we spoke about, in the final day I work on the production stuff and deploy the project on the host so everyone can use the website from this link. I also put it on the description to quick access. And finally, if you have any suggestions, please tell me on the comment section and I'll promise I read all of them. Also, if you enjoyed from this video, please like it and subscribe to CroCode family. I'm Saman from CroCode team and hope you enjoyed this video. And I wish you the best, take care and get some rest. Bye bye.